How to create a public vote session. You have selected and identified a list of files that you want to make an evaluation by an external person. In the framework vote, the idea simply to be identified projects that are preferred by the public, or if you have a desire to present the project to a large number of people. To do this, you will be able to create public form, the evaluation menu. When you create a new session, you will be able to choose an external public evaluation. At the time of this evaluation, you will first fill in the title of your session. Don't worry, you can change it later if necessary. Once you have entered the name of your public voting session, you will be able to enter this menu. Several tabs will allow you to control your session, the dashboard section to see the ranking of the candidates, the deposits in the session that to be able to add deposit that must be visible to the public who should be allowed to vote. Here you will find the people who voted for your information. When you voting, voters will only be asked to fill the email address to validate their vote. The display part and other settings in the entire configuration of your public session vote. This is where you will be able to indicate which information you want to show on each of the files so that it can be appreciated by the public. You will find in the title of the thumbnail, the image, a description that will appear in this format for each file. Then, in the additional information, you will be able to search for all the information that you want to display for it on each folder. Once you have made these settings, in the part of other parameters, you will be able to configure, for example, a presentation text for your session, how many votes can assign a person, the design of the button, or a start and end date. Outside these dates, people won't be able to vote. On the public interface side, a public voting session will look like this. The presentation text can be found here, and when you click on vote, we will arrive on this interface where we can find a different, each representing a file. When you click on a folder, you will see the details of the information we have posted. And to vote for a project, just click on vote for this project. As I explained earlier, you must confirm vote by entering an email address. I will then receive an email with a code to finalize my vote. This can take a few minutes. Once I have filled in this code, my vote has been taken into account. You will then be able, on the administrator side, see in real time the numbers of votes, the numbers of people who voted, the numbers of votes awarded, and easily sort your list in ascending or descending order to identify the files that received the most votes.